Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So I have a MacBook Pro and it has only 2 USB ports. But I want to use my keyboard, mouse, pen drives and hard drives too. So I wanted a USB hub to connect all these. So I go to Amazon and search for USB 3.0 hub. But the cost is much more than I expected. Then I thought, why USB 3.0? If my mouse, keyboard and smartphone cable has just USB 2.0 ports. So I go again and search USB 2.0 hub, and this one looks good, so I ordered it. So now in this video, let's unpack it and let's see whether it's worth my money or not. So guys, this is the packaging, bunch of info here. If you wanna read it, just pause the screen and read the information. So let's open it guys. So guys, this is a LapCare USB hub. This has diamond like design as you see. Looks so cool but glossy, and I hate gloss. But the build quality of the hub and the cable is quite acceptable for the price. By the way, it's been a month since I'm using this and it works super fine. Speed is quite good too, so no problem there. But recently a mice cut the cable in half and I have to join them together, and it worked, which is very nice. And even they claim that this product has 1 year of warranty, but mine is gone because of the bloody mice. So guys, in conclusion, I have to say it's well worth your money. You can go ahead and buy this product. The link will be in the description box below. By the way guys, this video is not sponsored by LapCare, but I personally like this product, so I am recommending it. And hey LapCare, if you're watching this, we can do something together. Just toss me a mail. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And guys, please subscribe this channel as well as my Hindi channel and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. And please share this video if you want. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.